Alright, so welcome to yet another video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get Corel Draw for free and a few other design software that you might have been looking for. If you've been looking for some softwares to use, especially the premium softwares, and of course you might not be able to pay for the premium as it stands, you want to stick around while I take you along the corner when you can get these softwares and how you can go about them just basically for free. Alright, before we go further, please do well to give us a subscription on this channel, then give us a thumbs up so that YouTube will probably show this video to more people. And if you have any question, you can always leave them for me in the comment section below, and then I will attend to them. If you need me to do a video on anything you do not understand, do well to leave me that comment and I will do well to attend to that. Alright, without talking too much, let's get into my screen and then I will show you how to get Corel Draw for free. I'll show you how to get Corel Draw for free. Alright, let's dive right in. So I will open up my Google just like this. Alright, the first thing you want to do is to go to your browser and open it up just like this. Okay, then right here you want to type in get into pc.com. all right, then hit enter, and once you do that, this opens right up. Okay, now if you want to get Corel Draw, let's say for instance Corel 19 or Corel 2019 as it were, all right, that is what I am using. If you're looking for Corel Draw 2017, which is X7, you can also type that in here. Now the search bar over here, just tap that. It is easier for you to find whatever you're looking for that way. Just type in Corel Draw, please pardon me, Corel Draw 2019 and hit enter. All right, now a lot of options will pop up. All right, you see Corel Draw Graphics Suite 2019 repack. Now this is the one you want to go for. All right, this very first one you want to, if you check it out, it was uploaded 3 years ago, which means it's the recent or the most updated version of Corel Draw Suite 2019. all right, if you come below here, you will find other alternatives. All right, you'll see this one that was uploaded 4 years ago. You don't want to go for this, you want to go for the first one. Then if you're using a MacBook, right, a MacBook, you want to download this very one because this is compatible with your MacBook. All right, that being said, so what you want to do is to go over here and then just click on it, and then it opens up. Please, when you're going through this, take time to read through all of the requirements. Okay, there are features. You will see the features of this particular Corel Draw version. Then of course, if you come below here, you would see what you would be getting in this. And please, if you're going to download this, make sure that your system is 64 bits. Now if your system is 32 bits, you can include that in your search. Just search for 32 bits and that will bring it up for you. Now this is the system requirement for this particular software. All right, you want to ensure that you have up to 2 gig RAM, regardless if your system is Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, it will run. All right, it will run. Then what you want to do next is to click on install this, how to install this software. Now this is a video that would help you understand how to install this software. So you want to open this and watch the video, or you could download it to your gadget and then watch, or if you want to watch it here live online, you can do that. Then you come over here and download the zip file. Once you download the zip file, this is the password. The password is 123 because you will be asked whilst you're trying to unzip the file. Then once that is done, you want to be sure that you watch this tutorial carefully and follow through, because this is very important. Without this, you will not be able to use this software for free. So please do well to watch this tutorial and implement as you install your Corel Draw 2019. All right, let me just show you around. If you're looking for Corel X17 for instance, or let's say X7 rather, for instance, just type that in. Okay, sorry, just give me a moment. All right, so yeah, so if you're looking for Corel X7, right, just want to type Corel X7, hit enter. All right, and of course a lot of options pops up for you over here, and you can go ahead to download, just like I showed you initially. Just click on it and go ahead to download that. If you're looking for any other thing, you can always search over here. Now if you look at it, we have categories of softwares. You can check this. If you click on that, you will see the categories of softwares that they offer. All right, you can see all of that. Then if you're looking for operating system, Linux and the rest, you can also go ahead to click on that button and all of this would open up for you. So this is Windows 10 April 2023, just the latest version. Right, this is Windows 11. You can go ahead to download and check that out. All right, this is Windows 7. Then if you're looking for any 3D design software, just come over here. We're looking for graphics. There's so many graphics software, so you can just come over here and just run around whatever you're looking for. All right, multimedia, you can find a lot of them over here. Now this is just a tutorial just to educate you. All right, so that being said, we'll just stop here. You can go over to getintoPC.com and explore, and then you can leave me a comment down below. Please, before you go, do well to hit subscription button, give us a thumbs up, and then do well to share this video with other people so that they can also learn what you're learning over here. Thank you. My name is Godwin. See you in the next video. Come on.